Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, it's Friday. So, I'm going through, I've still got so much of this Sau Tao stuff that I gotta get through. So every couple days I'm trying to do a couple, and here's one of them. This is Sau Tao Ifu Noodle Abalone Soup flavor. As you can see, the noodle block in these, it's big as my face, bigger than my face. And there's 2 servings. Here's one of the sachets. The pot I'm using won't fit it, so I had to kind of bust it in half. What do we got here? 750 mils of water for, oh man, really? I can't see. For 2 minutes, and then you stirred it. All right, here we go. So let's grab this boiling water. Alright, let's see how this goes. Hoping not to make a large mess of noodles all over the floor. Come on. It's been an interesting couple days here at the ranch. It's not really a ranch, for those of you who haven't heard that term, but it's been an interesting couple of days. If you're not busy, seems like my mom's not doing so well, so if you could send a good vibe in mi madre's direction, I'd appreciate it. And so that's occupying a lot of my thoughts right now. I've got a really good story, but it only takes 2 minutes to cook, so I will reserve that story for tomorrow. This week I've just been walking like Christopher walking all over the place, man. Yeah. And yeah. What else is going on? Doing the noodles, as of today being Friday, I'll have done 10 reviews this week, which is really, really, really hard to do these days. So I'm pretty stoked about that, I must say. Shout out to my buddy Helmut. He just sent me a track from his band's. I don't know, they recently recorded at a studio in Portland, and sounds good. I was like, what is this, like new Metallica or something? And he's like, actually, we've always considered ourselves kind of like a cross between Motley Crue and Metallica, so I'll take that. It sounds good, if you like that kind of music, it was a good recording and good quality, so I'm like impressed. Very cool. Rock and roll. And what else is going on? It's Friday. And for me, Friday is really important because that means I'm going to be able to walk and my wife's going to be able to walk. The only thing that sucks, it's been a beautiful week, just great weather. What do we get? It's gonna rain, possibly tonight. And last weekend I got up nice and early, get out, do a bunch of walking before anybody woke up. Usually that's what I do. I'll get out, walk a whole bunch, and right when I think maybe my wife is stirring a little bit, I'll send her a text and ask her if she wants like a yogurt parfait, because they have pre-made ones at the store. And that's what we'll have for breakfast, a couple of those. Well, last weekend I was wearing basically what I'm wearing right now. T-shirts, shorts, and a hat. Thunderstorm. Super downpour. At one point it was hailing, and I'm like trudging along in it. It's rough. Pardon me. Remember, cover your cough. Or your sneezers. Coughs and sneezels breed diseasels. But, it's been allergy city here. Goes from sunny and beautiful to rainy. Definitely wreaks havoc on the sinuses. It's just been like, usually I get a bit of allergy stuff, but this year, ooh. Here's the noodles. They make them with soda water. I love you too, buddy. I hear you spreading the love out there, saying I love you to Mimi, and now you come in here and say I love you to me. I like that. Love you, buddy. All right. Chewy noodle. Look at the broth. About what you'd expect. Abalone soup flavor. It's not abalone chicken. It's just straight abalone. Yep. That's good. It's got a nice little bit of oiliness to it that's coming out of the seasoning sachet. Or it's coming out of the noodle. I don't know, but I'm definitely getting a little bit of extra richness to it. I was just informed by my old buddy John that this, I guess come Monday, we're going into phase 2. Not only that, God, what's his face? That orange guy, Dr. Weird, the president. Donaldo Trumpo, we had actually a good jobs report. The most jobs ever gained in 1 month. Oh my God, 2.5 million. But it's like, yeah, but they lost like 30 million. So, of course, the stock market is going woo. The next one I'm doing is a lobster one, so I'm going to use the shrimp for that, and this one is abalone, and I'm going to use fish ball in this one. Oh, they don't float. For some reason I thought the fish balls floated. But they don't. So let's take this one that's completely submerged and pop it this away. There you go. And we got some vegetables. Boy, that story I got to tell you, I am like tickled pink, as it were. Some coriander. I'm just so glad the weekend's here. I get to spend time with my lady. We had a pretty good weekend last weekend, so I'm hoping to have a repeat. Which I like good. Good is good, you know? And, yeah. I sure hope that this whole phase 2 stuff goes well. You know, there's so much crazy business going on right now. I was listening to the police scanner and listening to what the cops had to say, and it was like people throwing apples. Yeah, throwing apples. Some shichimi. I think that's probably gonna do it. I don't know what else I would add to this. But yeah, throwing apples, large groups of people. Yeah, they might be wearing masks, but there's no social distancing. Tons of people down in Seattle just like shoulder to shoulder acting like weirdos. So, anyways, I mean, for a good cause, for a logical cause. Alright, friends, well, I think it's time for Rotato to take it away. Here we go! Alright, yeah, this is a big bowl. This is going to be hard to get pictures of, just mainly because it's like, ooh, it's going to be hot and it's heavy. Kids are on the tablets though, so they shouldn't be bothering it or nothing, but yeah. Alright, the next episode, oh boy, have I got a story for you. Ha 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 ha. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoy making your noodles every day. Hey, don't forget to go over to Google Play. Grab yourself the Ramen Raider app. It's new, it's improved, it's free, it's ad-free, it's wonderful. Your brains will explode. And head on over to shop.theramenraider.com to pick up some noodles. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Bye.